Hi, I'm Jenna Mekkelsen here at Mekkelsen RV, and I am in the Salem 2025 31KQBTS. This is a large bunk unit. It has 2 double slides in the bunk room and then a slide out here, so 3 slides total. It has the Versa lounge, so it can be in an L-shaped couch, or you can flip it around so it is a dinette. And then let's go out in the bunk room. You have your kitchen here, bathroom. So you have 4 bunks back here. You have lots of overhead storage and storage here. This bunk folds up. This also folds down into a queen size bed, so you have sleeping for 4 or 5 back here. And then to the front of the camper, you have a fireplace here where your TV would go. And then in the master bedroom, you have a king size bed with a Versa tilt. And it's a fully walk around bed. Thank you.